it's more to do with the Muppet on the camera. I decided, I usually do all the stitching on myself, but I decided this time I would delegate to said Muppet
be
on
doing
camera.
that again.
Oh yes, we'll be telling this story. I would delegate, firstly because I couldn't be bothered, and secondly I thought it would be quicker. How wrong I was! She stitched on the arms and the legs and the ears perfectly fine. Gets to the tail, which is located on its backside, as tails generally are. And she said, "There's no tail for this one either." I said, "There's a tail. I made a tail. I can't find a tail." I said, "Well, I did a tail. We've not lost the tail. There's no tail." I insisted that I did a tail, which I in fact did a tail. And she found the tail, and I will tell you what the tail was the tail, the semicircular tail that goes on the backside, had in fact been stitched onto the face where the circular eye patch should have been. Leaving the eye patch that I had actually crocheted right here about 10 minutes before she stitched it on the tail onto the face. So we ended up with the semicircular tail eye patch on the face and the eye patch still on the table. So we had to cut that. Well, Muppet had to cut it off.
I just thought you'd done a really bad job of it. I didn't want to say anything.
Really crap eye patch and no tail. So she's buggered up the tail now, so it's not as it should be.
No, because I sort of cut into it trying to get it off. Yeah, I did.
Because she'd had to cut it off the face.
I performed amigurumi surgery. Yes.
So really, she just had very little faith in my crochet abilities to crochet a circle.
On the plus side, I was extremely sensitive to your potential challenges.
Yes, and we hadn't even had any vodka about that.
You hadn't.
Yeah, so that was the issue. But we can't blame the craft kit for stupidity. So we can't grade it on that. So it's just the colour, the green instead of the grey. That's the only issue with that. Other than that, it's absolutely fine. Same faff with the colours as we have with the tops.
But you've done it really well. It looks fabulous. Yeah, or you could even do one of those all-in-one colour changey.
Yes, the
variegated. Yes, it probably, or something like that.
Well, it is now.
Yeah.
So that is all three from the one kit.
Super cute.
And
yes.
If you know how to stitch it on an eye patch and a tail, they work really well. The only issue is the stuffing, and the faff, and the colour, and the Muppet. So, but most craft kits don't come with the Muppet included. So,
well, then everybody's losing out.
Get your own Muppet. Most families have a Muppet. So just locate your own Muppet and you'll do fine and dandy.
Thank you very much.
There we go. That's
one amigurumi kit, no Muppet included.
Bye-bye.